Page settings for SEO in Hostinger. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to modify or adjust the SEO settings for your pages into your Hostinger website. So the process is going to be very simple and easy. You are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the lists of the websites from here. Click on websites list, and then you're going to select one of the websites that you have. So once you have did that, you're going to see all of uh, the elements, or let's say sections, that are going to be the component of that website page. So once you are here, what are you going to do basically is to consider that each one of the pages that you have created or you have into your website is going to have its right of the SEO. For those who are not familiar with the SEO friendliness, it is going to be the search engine optimization for the website and also for the pages and also for all the component of the websites that you have, like text, the images, or the or alternative text of here on the images that will make your website stand out or your website page stand out among the search results. So basically, if you are going to understand and make the algorithms or the search engines understands the content well of your website, they are going to promote that specific website or that page organically, and you're going to get more and more traffic, and so you're going to get some leads. Now, how we can set up these settings for the SEO of each page. So we are going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to see AI tools. Click on it and you are going to see this extension of the menu. You're going to head over here and we are going to click on AI SEO Assistant, which has the magnifier logo. We are going to click on here, and as you can see, we are going to be dependent on the page that we have. So we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages that are going to have the SEO settings. So you can see here the search results preview, and this is the first thing that we need to consider. So this is not something that we want to see here. So basically, it is not going to be good only with home. So you can set up the focus keywords, but before that, we can set up the SEO title or the meta title in here. So you can have here some recommendation that you need to follow. So you're going to get here a better idea on how we can work with the SEO settings. For example, here SEO title should not be empty. This is something first. SEO title length should be between 10 and 60 characters. The current count is 4 characters, so we need to add here more length to our title. And the final suggestion is going to be the SEO title should include a focus keyword. And the focus keyword is going to be added in here. This is the focus keyword. The focus keyword are going to help the search engines, as you can read in here, understand your content. So you're going to select one or a phrase and make it a focus keyword. So you're going to match up the focus keyword on the title of the SEO and also on the meta description. The meta description is going to be the description of the page and the URL that you have put until you're going to put it in here for the search result. And that is going to help you a lot to generate more traffic. So once you have set up the recommendations that have been set up for your specific page, you can go ahead and see other tips, like here having the recommended of this page. You need a word count of 300 words at least, and also the image alt or the alternative text for the image is going to be recommended. So here we have 8 images, and the number of alt text on the image is going to be 0. So that means that you have here the images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 images, and these images should be modified. When you are going to click on edit image, you're going to have here the window of the alt text. That means the alternative text. So you are going to describe to the SEO or the search engines exactly the specific description of that image and give them an idea on how it is going to be manipulated by them. So they are going to get a cool idea about your website. So this is how you can set up things in here. So I'm going to head over here again. I'm going to let you see that we have also something else that we need at least to have H1 or heading 1 titles on a page. That means that you're going to make sure that you have at least one a text or one heading at heading 1, just like that. And this is going to be SEO or search engine friendly action. So with that, as you can see, we have set up all the SEO settings that should be included into our website. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.